Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of important MCQs discussion, right? So आज हमारा topic to hold important MCQs discussion on Legislative Assembly of Assam, right? Okay, fine. So আমি one by one start करो. So when was the Assam Legislative Assembly formed for the first time? Then answer will be April 7, 1937, right? Okay. Who is the current Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be Biswajit Demarai. Who is the current Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be Numul Momin, right? What is the maximum strength of the Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be 126, right? Okay. What is the minimum age for becoming a member of the Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be 25 years old, right? Okay. Which authority has the power to disqualify a member under the 10th schedule? Then answer will be Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly. Members of the Legislative Assemblies are subscribed out by Governor, right? Okay. To which authority the Speaker surrenders resignation? Then answer will be Deputy Speaker. Which article consists provisions of election of Legislative Assembly of States? Then answer will be Article 170. Who is the leader of the opposition in the Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be Debabrata Sakya, right? Who is the deputy leader of the opposition in the Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be okay, fine. Hetu nalage, iman important no. What is the normal term of the Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be 5 years. Who was the first Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be Babu Basanta Kumar Das. When and from where Vishnu Prasad Rava was elected as an MLA? Then answer will be 1969 from Tezpur constituency. When was the first Assam Legislative Council created? Then answer will be 1913, right? Which article in the Constitution deal with the topic of state legislature? Then answer will be from Article 168 to 212, right? Okay. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Then answer will be Speaker, right? Okay. What is the maximum gap between the two sessions of the Assam Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be 6 months, right? Okay. Which articles under the Constitution of India deal with the Speaker and Deputy Speaker? Then answer will be Article 178 to 187, right? Okay. Who among the following is the final authority to decide any question relating to disqualification of a member of a House of the Legislature of a state? Then answer will be Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, right? How long can a minister continue without being elected to the State Assembly? Then answer will be 6 months. Which constitutional authority can prorogue the State Legislative Assembly? Then answer will be Governor, right? Which article of the Constitution defines the duties of the Chief Minister? Then answer will be Article 167. The Legislature of Assam comprise Legislative Assembly only, right? As of today, okay. Okay, from given options, ইয়াত যদি চাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে Governor, yes, Legislative Assembly, yes, and Legislative Council where it exists, right? Okay. Okay, fine. এইটো কুৱেশ্যনটো ভালকৈ বনোৱা নহ'ল, চ' ভালকৈ এইটো চাই ল'ব এটা. The Legislative consider the following statements. The Legislative Assembly of each state shall consist of not more than 450 members. A person shall not be qualified to be chosen to fill a seat unless he is 25 years old, right? It is statement correct, right? Okay, so we can go with option B. When allowances of the ministers of a state government are determined by the State Legislative Assembly, right? Okay. Which one of the following statements about the Chief Minister is not correct? He is formally appointed by the Governor, yes. He is chosen by the members of the majority party in the Legislative Assembly. His continuation in office depends upon many factors, okay. His continuance in office depends upon pleasure of the Governor. যদি আমি 27 চাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে not correct question also. He is formally appointed. Okay, fine. Hetu to right hoy. Hetu right hoy. His continuation office. Okay, debatable hoy, but I can go with D, right? Okay, so I can go with D. So apnalage bhalke sai lobo etu. According to which article of the Constitution of India, the Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor of a state, then answer will be Article 164. Under which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution the Legislative Assembly is allowed to resolve for the creation of the Legislative Council, then answer will be 169, right? Article 169. Speaker continues to be the Speaker even after the dissolution of the Assembly until immediately before the first sitting of the new Assembly constitute after dissolution, right? Okay, fine. Right answer. Immediately before the first sitting of the new Assembly constitute after dissolution, right? Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So আমি just now আমি conclude কৰিলো আমাৰ important discussions MCQ discussion on Legislative Assembly of Assam, right? So আমি next episode আমি discuss কৰিম with regard to High Courts of Assam, right? Okay, guys. Keep studying.